Hi friends, today we are going learn name of colors with fun and interesting visuals. So let's start journey of colors.
Red, yellow, blue, orange, green, white, pink, black.
Do you know things that are red in color?
Kids are playing with red apple, red ladybug is flying. Man is cutting red tomatoes. Yes, it's red van. Girl is eating red grapes. Do you know things that are yellow in color? Let's know. Do you like yellow bananas? It's sour yellow lemon. It's yellow colored butterfly. Yellow sunflower. Do you know things that are blue in color? Let's know. Do like blueberries? It's yummy. Sky is blue. Blue butterflies are flying. A girl with blue balloon. Do you know things that are orange in color? Let's know. It's a orange juice. Rabbit is eating orange carrot. It's orange pumpkin. Do you play orange basketball?
Do you know things that are green in color? Let's know. Green frog, I is swimming. It's green parrot. Green aloe vera. Do you know things that are white in color? Let's know. So cute. White rabbit. It's delicious white milk. White swan in water. Clouds are white. Do you know things that are pink in color? Beautiful pink rose. Pink lotus. Do you know things that are black in color? Let's know. It's a black panther. Do you like black grapes? Yes, it's a black crow. Black bear in jungle.